based on truth and non-violence. Truth is my God. Non-violence is the means of realizing Him. A strong advocate of Satya and Ahimsa, Gandhi showed the power of love and non-violence in combating injustice and oppression. Mahatma is the title given to this inspiring personality who led the masses with his optimism, courage, principles, and practice.
One of the most popular freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi was a man of strong principles. His loyalty towards Satya Ahimsa was unquestionable. Based on these two powerful fundamentals, he became a thorn in the flesh of British Raj. He is deservedly called the father of the nation. The observance of International Day of Non-Violence is a fitting tribute to a man of his stature.
Mahatma Gandhi is known as symbol of peace. All the things he did during India's struggle for independence. Not once did he go against his principles, which is why he became a mass leader. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar, also known as Sudhamapuri, on 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti and observed as the International Day of Non-Violence. This day is a timely reminder to all of us to show how important it is to live in peace and harmony. The global event aims to promote brotherhood amongst people across the globe, transcending barriers of caste, creed, religion, nation, or status. We wish you a very happy International Day of Non-Violence, and we hope that you enthusiastically raise awareness for peace, calm, and happy cohabitation across the globe.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही अज पीर पराही जाने रे पर दुख के उपकार करे तू ये मना पिमा ननानी रे सकल लोक सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे सकल लोक सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के रे वाचकाच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेनी रे वाचकाच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेनी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही अज पीर पराई जाने रे
చెడు చూడొద్దు, చెడు మాట్లాడొద్దు,
చెడు వినట్టు.
If we want to reach real peace in this world, we should start educating children.
Be the change you want to see in the world.
True ahimsa means a complete freedom from ill will, anger, and hate, and an overflowing love for all.
Truth and ahimsa are my